Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Giardiniera pickled vegetables using an easy method. First, let's gather our fresh ingredients. You'll need a variety of crisp vegetables such as carrots, celery, bell peppers, and cauliflower. We'll also prepare a straightforward brine using common pantry staples. Finally, we'll ensure our jars are perfectly clean and ready for preserving our delicious creation. This simple process will yield fantastic results. Now let's get our vegetables ready. Thoroughly wash all your produce, then chop them into uniform, bite-sized pieces. Aim for consistent sizes so they pickle evenly. For tougher vegetables like carrots or cauliflower, a quick blanch in boiling water for about 1 minute can help. Once prepared, carefully pack your colorful assortment of vegetables tightly into your clean, sterilized jars, leaving about 1 inch of headspace at the top. This ensures proper pickling. Next, we'll create the flavorful brine that transforms our vegetables. In a saucepan, combine 2 cups of white vinegar with 2 cups of water. Then, add 2 tablespoons of pickling salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Stir these ingredients together until they are fully dissolved. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for about 5 minutes. This ensures all the flavors meld beautifully. Finally, it's time to seal our giardiniera. Carefully pour the hot brine over the packed vegetables in each jar, making sure they are completely submerged. Use a non-metallic utensil to gently remove any trapped air bubbles. Wipe the jar rims clean, then place new, sterilized lids and bands on tightly. Allow the jars to cool completely. Store them in a cool, dark place for at least 2 weeks before enjoying your homemade, tangy giardiniera. It's worth the wait.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.